Hello students, how are you? This is the next video of differential equation and the chapter is separation of variable. Today we shall solve problem from 45.6 to 48. I have already discussed about separation of variable in my previous video and the link of the video are given in my description box. These videos are very effective for your upcoming examination. I have already solved this problem in my previous video, but there is a general solution. In this case, in this problem, there is also a particular solution. That means at the point you have to find, at the point x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, the value of the function. That means dy dx is equal to 1 plus x square, and taking common of y square you get 1 plus x square, then 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square, or dy by 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square into dx. Integrating we get tan inverse y is equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant, where c is arbitrary constant. Putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 or c is equal to pi by 4. So your required result will be tan inverse y is equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus pi by 4. This is your required answer. This is your required answer. I have given to you these two problems, xy is equal to dy dx, x plus 2, y plus 2, when y1 is equal to minus 1. And the next problem is dy dx is equal to 1 plus x plus y square plus xy square, where y0 is equal to 0. These two problems will be your homework for you. This problem is 2 into y plus 3 minus xy dy dx is equal to 0. Changing it in this side, 2 into y plus 3 is equal to xy dy dx, or this one, that means y by y plus 3 dy is equal to 2 into dx by x. Integrating we get, you know the result, this is log x, 2 log x is equal to y plus 3 minus 3, that means dy minus 3 dy by y plus 3, or this is equal to y minus 3 log of y plus 3 plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. Now putting the particular value, that means x is equal to 1 and now putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2, you get 2 log 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 log minus 2 plus 3 plus c. This is log 1. Log 1 means 0. This is log 1. Then it is 0 and this is 0. Then minus c is equal to minus 2, or c is equal to 2. 2 is, putting this side 2, we get 2 log x y minus 3 log y plus 3 plus 2. Now this is your required answer, and if you want to simplify this, then log, this means log x square, that means log y plus 3 whole cube plus log y plus 3 the whole cube is equal to y plus 2. Sum of 2 log means product of the log of x square plus log of x square into y plus 3 whole cube is equal to y plus 2, then x square হ্যাঁ এই বুবে হোল কিউব ইজ ইকুয়াল টু e to the power y plus 2 তাড়াতাড়ি করো then x square y plus 3 whole cube is equal to e to the power y plus 2 this will be your required answer. So our next problem is e to the power x tan y dx plus 2 minus e to the power x square y dy is equal to 0. We are given that y0 is equal to pi by 4. So what we want to do, e to the power x tan y dx is equal to minus 2 minus e to the power x sec square y dy, or e to the power x by 2 minus e to the power x dx is equal to sec square y by tan y dy, integrating or this can be written as 2 minus 2 plus e to the power x by 2 minus e to the power x dx sec square y by tan y dy. This step is very important. You can do it in this way. 2 minus e to the power x is equal to z. Or 2 minus e to the power x dx by 2 minus e to the power x is equal to tan y means z, then dz is equal to sec square y dy, then this is equal to dz by z, or 2 dx by 2 minus e to the power x minus dx is equal to minus log z plus log c, where c is the arbitrary constant. Now for in this integration, multiply both sides, numerator and denominator, by e to the power minus x, then e to the power minus x dx by 2 e to the power minus x minus 1 minus x is equal to log c by z. Z means tan y. Now 2 e to the power minus x minus 1 is equal to u, then du is equal to minus 2 e to the power minus x dx, then you get 2 e to the power x dx, that means minus du, or this is minus du by u. Minus x is equal to log c by tan y, or this is minus log u. Log u means this minus x is equal to log c by tan y, or minus log u means 2 e to the power minus x minus 1 minus x is equal to log c by tan y. And next problem is x dy dx plus cot y is equal to 0. Transferring in this side and changing the variable, you get the required result. This is the homework for you. And this is also same type. 1 plus x square dy is equal to minus 1 plus y square dx, then dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dx by 1 plus x square. Putting the value formula, you get the required result. This is also a homework for you. Next, 48. dy dx cross multiplying, we get sin y plus y cos y dy is equal to 2x log x plus 1 dx. Integrating, or sin y dy plus y cos y dy is equal to 2x log x dx plus 2x dx, or minus cos y plus y cos y dy minus dd of y into cos y dy plus 2x, this is log x dx minus ddx of log x dx into dx plus 2 into x square by 2 plus c, where c is the arbitrary constant, or minus cos y plus y sin y minus sin y dy is equal to 2 log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by x into x square by 2 dx plus x square plus c. Now cancelling x, we get, or minus cos y plus y sin y plus integration of minus sin y means cos y, cancelling cos y, this is x square log x minus x square by 2, cancelling 2, x square by 2 plus x square plus c, or y sin y is equal to x square log x plus, this is means minus half plus 1 is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Now putting the value y0, x is equal to 1. Now y is equal to 0, this means 0. Putting y is equal to 0, this is 0, and x is equal to 1 means this is 0 and half plus c. Therefore your required answer will be c is equal to minus half. Then y sin y is equal to x square log x plus x square by 2 minus half. This is the required answer.